Good morning. Hello, my cutie pies. How are you? Hope you all are enjoying seeing videos. I'm your Hetal ma'am. Do you remember which alphabet we have learned in English? We have learned alphabet A to W. So now let's quickly revise them and learn a new alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Now let's learn a new alphabet X. Alphabet X. X for Xmas tree. It is decorated in Christmas. X for X-ray. It is a inside image of a human body. X for xylophone. It is a type of a musical instrument. X for xylophone. Now it's an activity time. Children, see. I have pencils, ice cream sticks, earbuds and matchsticks. Now we are going to make alphabet X with these objects. So let's begin. We will take the pencil and put it like this in slant to make letter X. Can you see we made letter X? Now we will take ice cream sticks. We will place it here like this and make letter X. Now we will take earbuds and we will place it like this here. Now we will take matchsticks and we will place it like this here. See children, what did we make? We made letter X. It is very easy to make. You can do this activity at home. Isn't it an interesting one? So, did you enjoy the activity? Yes, very good. Okay then, bye. See you. Take care.